how do you say this? And why do you say it like that? For starters, it is not Colquhoun. Typically it's said Colquhoun, though some people leave in the L. You'll also find a bunch of variations of the spelling, including Colquhoun, 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 and Colquhoun, to name a few. All clear? Great. So where does Colquhoun come from? You guessed it, it's Gaelic once again, though this time, unlike Campbell or Kingussie, there's no common consensus, as it could theoretically come from a few different Gaelic words. Theory 1, the one which works best for me, is narrow wood or narrow corner. So rather than a physical feature, it's a descriptor of the landscape where these people lived. Cuan meaning narrow, and then with either wood, cullia, or corner, cool, you get something like Colquhoun. Over time, that becomes Colquhoun. Theory 2 is that it means wave crash. This one's interesting because Clan Colquhoun, there's always a clan, were historically based near the coast. So this one has legs. Colquhoun is wave crash, ang Tagalog. Over time, Colquhoun, Colquhoun. Theory 3 is nook corner, so something like coil cool. To me, it's the least likely, just because it is. So that's Colquhoun. If you suspect it's got a Gaelic root, what name or place should I do next?